Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Traditional Ottoman sherbet will be made in this video. Are you ready to make healthy cold drinks for hot days? You can ask any questions about Ottoman sherbet and please do not forget to support it by liking the video. This will be a yellow drink to be made. You can choose the fruits according to the color you want. Lemon, granulated sugar, and ice water should always be the main ingredient. The materials to be used in this video will be a thick-skinned lemon, and a separate type of lemon with a thin peel will be used with plenty of water. 6 lemons in total. 6 juicy oranges for squeezing. 5 red non-sour apples. 1 carrot. 7 liters of water in total, must be ice water. I will use 500 grams of granulated sugar and the last 2 sugars known as atomic tea. A characteristic of Ottoman sherbet is that it contains a variety of spices: ginger powder, black seed, powdered turmeric, dry mint, filter cloth to serve as a strainer and filter, orange squeezer, stone mortar, finite grater. First of all, cool the fruit in the fridge. This is important. The fruits must be cold and wash the fruits thoroughly with cold water. To be clean, you can wash it in 2 layers. Lemons with thick rind and grate their peels finely. Grate only the yellow parts. The white parts have a peel bitterness. It is important to use the yellow part of the peel to give the sorbet a yellow color. Grate the orange peels in the same way. Add sugar into the grated ingredients. Grind the spices in a stone grinder to a powder. By crushing the spices in this way, you get their aroma to come out. For information, add a few drops of oil to extract the aroma of powdered turmeric. The taste of ginger is very good. Turmeric will give yellow color, black cumin is very healthy, and mint will give freshness. Mash and knead the ingredients thoroughly with your hands. At this stage, you can add 1 liter of ice water. I always say it must be cold. Thanks to the cold, the bitter taste of the lemon peels cannot penetrate into the drink. Chop the lemons as you see them. Break the lemon's fibers by squeezing and crushing them with your hand. You can cut oranges in the same way or squeeze and add the juice. Add the carrots and apples to the blender and mash well. Add crushed carrots and apples and mix. Strain the juice into a large deep bowl. The filtering process will not take such a short time. Watch carefully. Repeat operations will be done several times. After straining the juice, add ice water to the peels again and mix. After filtering the juice again, add ice water a third time and mix and strain again. Fourth time, add ice water, mix, and strain. As long as the yellow color comes out, you can repeat this process 5 times. Add 1 liter of water and strain, then repeat the same process. If you are going to consume all of them in one day, the sherbet can be drunk this way. The lemon fibers in it cause the sherbet to become bitter after a day. Therefore, if you want to keep it in the fridge for up to 1 week, you must filter the sherbet. You can use this tightly woven white cloth called pouch as a filter. Fill the juice well and tie the mouth with a rope. Squeeze it with your hand and filter the juice. You can add sugar by controlling the taste. Obviously, very little sugar was used here. 500-600 grams of sugar was used, and a total of 9 liters of sherbet was obtained. There are Ottoman sherbets of all colors. Red-colored sherbets are generally famous. The Yellow Prince sherbet is a sherbet similar to what we do. There are more types of sherbets such as rose sherbet, cranberry sherbet, goric sherbet. I plan to make these sherbets when the time comes and share their recipes with you. I think this traditional sherbet has been very good. Some sweetened sodas cannot replace this drink. I always prefer to make a healthy drink at home. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.